Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 22nd. I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar, I still think we're looking at a big W, 3 waves up, 3 waves down for an X. I think this is going to turn into 3 waves up for a wave Y, which is most likely going to eventually go up and take out these highs. Probably the 78% or the 100% Fibonacci extension would be the most likely target for that move up. Heading down to the weekly time frame, I'm definitely still looking at this over here as an uptrend, which I think is a wave 1. I still think that this is a big correction right here, wave 2, and I think this is a subdivision of 3. So 1, 2. I think this is just going to keep on going up and make that 3, 4, 5 of wave C, which is a wave C of wave Y, like I was explaining on the monthly time frame. Heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we definitely do have 5 waves on the Aussie. And the US dollar definitely does have 5 waves too, so potentially it could actually end up making a correction to the whole move up. But as of right now, I'm definitely looking at this move down as just a correction to this last wave. I'm definitely looking at my Fibonacci retracement levels for more long entries for the continuation of this uptrend, since there's really no proof that this is over, and a lot of the other dollar pairs still look like they have more upside potential to finish off a wave 1 of what I believe is a wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I do think we're in a correction, and I'm not really expecting the correction to actually be over yet. I think it's more likely to go down, take out all these lows. Maybe the 50 or the 61.8 would be the most likely target for this correction to actually end, and for the continuation of the uptrend to occur again. So heading down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, it looks like it's making some sort of a 3-3 pattern, like 1, 2, 3 waves down. This move up is more like a trend, but I think there probably is a wave A here. This probably is a wave B, and I think we are likely to go down, like I was saying, on the 4 hour to at least a 61 at a 50% Fibonacci retracement. If it does go down to one of those fib levels, make a double bottom, which is a 3, 4, 5 shape in Elliot wave terms, make a break of structure, then that's what's going to tell me the wave C is over, and that's going to be my entry to go long for the continuation of what I think is still a wave 1 of wave 3 on the much higher time frames. So depending on what time frames you trade, you could be still looking for shorts. If you're trading below the 1 hour, if you're trading above the 1 hour, then you're probably patiently waiting for the end of this correction to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live analysis and trading sessions, where I cover every single pair on this list over here from top to bottom. Also, it gives you access to all my swing/day trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.